Hi everyone, this is FamChef team and today we are making lasagna. Let's start it. We are taking 8 tablespoons of corn oil in a pot. When it is heated, add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste and give it a stir. After the 1 to 2 minutes of continuous stirring, now we are going to add 2 large chopped onions in the mixture. Stir them until color of the onions changes to translucent, and after this continuous stirring we are going to add minced meat. Here we are adding 2 kg of the meat. Cook it properly until the smell is removed completely. We are taking larger amount because we have a large family. You can take lesser amount as per your need. All of the smell is removed from the cooking meat. Now it's time to add some spices in it. Salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and start giving it a mix. .5 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, add 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, and then mix it. We have prepared this tomato paste by grinding 6 tomatoes. Add this in the meat and then mix it properly. After adding the tomato paste, add 8 tablespoons of the tomato puree. You can buy this tomato puree from any grocery or any general store. It can be easily bought from anywhere. Now add 2 teaspoons of oregano and 1 teaspoon of basil. Cook the meat at medium-high flame. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. It is optional, only for better taste and smell. Now cover and let it cook until the whole water is dried. For the white sauce, add 4 tablespoons of butter. When it melts down, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Whisk it properly and avoid the formation of lumps during mixing. Here we are adding 1 liter of whole cream milk. You can also take fresh milk. Add 400 grams of shredded cheddar cheese in the cream mixture. Combine everything well by mixing it together. Add black pepper to taste. Keep mixing until the cream thickens. Our white sauce is prepared. The final step is assembling, and for this, place the lasagna sheets at the bottom of the tray. After placing the sheets, pour some white sauce which we have already prepared. The next step is to spread the cooked meat all over the sheets evenly. After we have spread the cooked meat, we are going to pour white sauce again over the top of the meat, and after this we are going to spread some shredded cheese. The cheese can be cheddar and parmesan, or you can add both. We have added both of the cheese together. After spreading of the cheese, repeat the same step. First place the lasagna sheets, then spread some white sauce over it, then spread the cooked meat. After spreading the meat, you can place some white sauce and then shredded cheese over it. After spreading the cheese, place the topmost layer of the sheets. Spread some white sauce and again parmesan cheese. Put it in the oven and heat and cook it properly. Our lasagna is prepared. Cut it into small pieces and serve it to your family.